I have been saying this for quite some time na ang budget ng ating pamahalaan for flood control alone, kasama ang DPWH, MMDA, Climate Change Commission, DENR, etc., ay tumataginting na 1,444,000,000 a day. So, gusto nating mai-check at malaman kung saan ba ito napupunta. Noong pong nagkaroon ng pagdinig, ang committee ni Senator Bong Revilla, napag-alaman po natin mismo sa ating secretary ng Department of Public Works and Highways, and I will go to this later on. Merong 74 infrastructure flagship projects according to DPWH. Ito rin po yung nasa NEDA. 13 of them were tagged as water resources projects and have indications that they are used for flood control and mitigation. Pero tinitingnan ko po itong mga big ticket items, no, Mr. President, especially itong mga foreign assisted projects. Again, during our hearing dito sa Senado, it was highlighted that we need foreign assisted projects because they are the big ticket items that contribute to long-term flood mitigation. Yun po yung lumabas doon sa pagdinig. An example would be the Metro Manila Flood Control Project funded by the World Bank. Pero kung titingnan po natin itong mga foreign assisted projects budget ng DPWH, ang lumabas po doon sa pagdinig, napakaliit o mas maliit ito kumpara sa small ticket projects. Kaya ang lumabas nga po doon sa pagdinig, patsi-patsi yung mga proyekto. Patsi-patsi yung naging project. And Senator Amy Marcos would also attest to this because she was there during that hearing. Why don't we invest, Mr. President, more in big ticket flood control projects? Kasi yun po yung lumabas nitong pagdinig, no? Lumabas po na for the past 3 years, we spent over 500 billion pesos for the flood control program, but we only allocated 25 billion for the foreign assisted programs. Now, in 2024, FAPs are in the unprogrammed, Mr. President, itong 2024. So, in the last 3 years, I'm looking at the data, we have only allocated 3.8 billion for the foreign assisted projects, which represents only 0.7% of the total flood management program of the DPWH. Kaya, masakit to isipin, Mr. President, especially coming from a province like Bulacan, na taon-taon ho, binabanggit ho natin, ito yung flood control project, ito yung napupunta sa aming rehiyon, yun nga pong nakaraan doon sa Bicol region, mismo ang ating Senate President wanted to look into this because the past 2 years ay 60 billion plus yung naka-lodge doon sa flood control projects. Pero pag tinignan po natin at gaya nung nakaraang pagdinig sa DPWH, sinasabi po nila yung mga small items ang napagbigyan, hindi yung big items. Again,